Hello, welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to see how to create message boxes with all its different options. Let's start. So we will start as we always do with importing Tkinter from So this is importing the Tkinter module, and this is creating the window. This is appearing, causing the window to appear on the screen, and this is adjusting the geometry of the window. If I run this one, I'll get this only. Now let me create a button. When the person clicks, he will get the message box. So now let me create a button. Let me call it btn equals button. It will be appearing on window. Now let me create a button for maybe installing an application. So let me write here the text install. That would be equal to 15 and so on. Now let me pack this on the screen. So let me say here btn.pack. Now if I run it, I do have this small button here. Okay, now install. So when I click it, I want a message box which says maybe are you sure, yes or no, cancel, whatever it's okay. So now in Tkinter we have certain message box options. So let me show you what these are. Now let me write a command here. When the person clicks, so something like a message box will pop up. So let me write command equals let me call it message box m_box m_box. So this is unknown command. So let me define this command. So define m_box, then parentheses. Now I want a message box. Now here, when you want to define a message box in Tkinter, you have to first import a message box module. So let me go up here. I will say from Tkinter import message box. Okay, now you can import, you can define the message box here. Now here message box, when I press dots, you will have these options. From these options, show warning, show error, ask yes or no, ask yes, no, cancel, and ask okay, cancel. Okay, and the other is show warning. Let me write S. It tells us here show warning, show error, show info. Okay, these are the options that you can create when you are when you want to create a message box. Now let me start with ask yes or no. Okay, ask yes, no. Now here when you are defining ask yes, no, it tells you here the title of the message box, then the message that you want, then options if you want it. Okay, so now the title, let's be maybe checking, then the message, that's something that we are going to define. So now let me click ask yes or no. So when the person press on the install button, there will be a message. Okay, a message. This message, let me write the title of the message box. Let's be installation checking. Okay, and I want a message for the user to be are you sure, are you sure. Okay, question mark. Let me run this. install, it says installing checking. Okay, this is the title of the message box, and the message says, are you sure? Then if you say yes, if you say no, then that will be the option of the user. Okay, now this is one option. Ask yes, no. If I want, I can delete this dot. Okay, ask yes, no, cancel. Okay, yes, no, and cancel. For example, like this. If I run this, if I click on install, yes, no, and cancel, you have three options. Okay, so now here there's one basic thing that you should know here. These values, yes, no, or cancel, do have its own value inside this Tkinter. Okay, now if you want to know what is the value of yes, the value of no, and the value of cancel, let's define a label. Okay, so here let me define a label. Let be appearing on window, and let the text be equal to. So when the person clicks on the message box, whether yes, no, or cancel, there will be certain value. This value must be saved inside some variable. Let me call here v equals this. Now the value that will be selected by the user will be saved inside v. Now the label, the text of this label, let it be equal to v. Okay, so dot pack. Okay, done. Now let me run this, install. Let me say yes. It tells you here 1. The value of v is equal to 1. Install. Let me click no. The value of no is equal to 0. And finally, let me click on cancel. There is no value at all. Okay, again, let me click yes. It tells you it is 1. Okay, so on. Different message box options do have their own values. Okay, let me try another one. Dot show warning, maybe here, show warning. When somebody clicks this one, it says, are you sure, with this kind of icon here. So this is a warning message. Okay, a warning message. Now if I want another, maybe dot show error. Okay, error. Now when I run it, if I click here, are you sure, there's a warning. Okay, when you want to warn somebody, you will write the appropriate message here, and you will define it at dot show error. Now if I click OK, the value is OK. In the previous one, yes was equal to 1, no was equal to 0, cancel was equal to empty. Now OK will be equal to here OK. So this is how we are going to define, to create message boxes with different options. Okay, here you have these options. Let me show you on the screen. So that's all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, support us, it's just free. Thank you, see you next time.